under the purview of the State Corporations Act, and that can sometimes lead to complexities and potential conflicts, particularly regarding board appointments, management autonomy, financial regulations, and even reporting requirements. Because the governance principles and objectives of the two acts may not always be fully aligned. So the State Corporations Act often imposes stricter controls on greater degree of ministerial direction compared to the general corporation governance principles under the Companies Act, which are geared towards private enterprises and shareholder value. And in Kenya, recent legislative discussions, and we've had proposed reform. Hello everyone, and welcome to the Manifested e-learning platform. I greet you all and hello candidates, and welcome to the greetings candidates. I'm back to continue.
We proceed with question 5B, that is December 2024 block revision question 5B. We read the question. In a tax seminar, one of the facilitators noted generally there are two main types of tax system that are adopted by different countries. That is unified and unified tax system and multiple tax system. With reference to the above statement, argue three cases against multiple tax system adopted by your country. Argue three cases against multiple tax system adopted by your country. So the first thing is to understand what we mean by unified tax system and what we called a multiple tax system. We say that unified tax system is where we have one form of tax that we use. For example, we can pay corporation tax as the only tax that we basically levy. But when you talk about multiple taxes, this is where a system where we basically have what we call variety of taxes. We have the corporation taxes, we have the excess duty, we have the capital gain, and many other taxes. So for this particular question, the examiner basically asks us that with the reference above, based on the above information that we're given, what are cases against multiple tax system adopted by different countries? Cases against multiple taxes, that means disadvantages. That is what we call disadvantages of what we call multiple tax system. One of the dangers of multiple taxes is that it becomes very complicated, for taxpayers to understand. Again, administering these taxes we know is very costly. Administering the taxes is very costly in terms of administration of those taxes, because you need to employ various officers in order to minister those taxes. Number 2 or 3, we need to understand that there's also what we call double taxation. You could find that some taxes overlap where you charge the same tax more than once. That is what we call double taxation. We know that one of the things is non-compliance, because it's a nuisance. When you have a variety of taxes, even it becomes a nuisance to the taxpayers. And one of the things that basically will emanate from double tax